future, there are so many things that we cannot change. Everything seems to go one way. Hearing is one thing that you can turn things back the other way.
I think I don't need to tell all of you how important and essential hearing is to our quality of life. If somebody can hear better, they're absolutely going to live a better life. Did you know that your hearing health is actually directly related to your overall health and wellness? Blindness separates us from things, but deafness separates people from people.
My hearing was waning and saw Audio Health. And I thought, my health is improving, so I went there. If I couldn't have heard anything, my career as a communicator would have ended 20-something years ago. It's like giving glasses for people who can't see.
People need to know about the fact that hearing is so important to all these other aspects.
For the last 7 years, I've been lucky enough to have the help of Audio Health to give me near perfect hearing. Thank you, Audio Health.